My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you all. Welcome to a new lesson entitled 2D Vocabulary 1 plus Lesson 1. Today, we have two main learning objectives, which are to consolidate 10 vocabulary words in context and to listen for specific information talking about our solar system. Kindly open your student books, page 28. Can you please read this? Solar system. Solar system. What does solar system mean? This is our solar system, which is the sun and the group of planets that move around it. This is the sun, and these are the planets that move around it in our solar system. We have here Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. What can you see here? Galaxy. Galaxy. What does galaxy mean? The very large group of stars that contains the solar system, the sun, and all the planets, including Earth, that go around it. This galaxy is a group of stars, millions of stars. So, our solar system is just a tiny part of this galaxy. Okay? Now, it's time for practice. Here, you need to match these pictures with these words. You can pause the video till you do this activity and then come, listen, and check your answers. Okay, let's listen.
2D. 1. Vocabulary. A. Match. Then listen and check your answers. 1. Planet. 2. Galaxy. 3. Solar system. 4. Star. 5. Moon.
Thank you. Let's move on. After we've identified the planets of our solar system, we need to fill in the gaps here using these 4 planets. So complete here using these 4 planets. You can pause the video till you do this activity and then come, listen, and check your answers. Now, let's listen.
B. Do you know the names and the order of the planets in our solar system? Look and complete with the names in the box. Then listen and check your answers. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's move on. Can you read this number? 100. For example, 200 stars. You read it like this, not like this, 200s. This is wrong. What about this number? 1000. For example, 3,000 people, not 3,000s. Million. You read it 4 million cars, not 4 millions. Billion. 5 billion computers, not 5 billions. Okay? So this is the correct way to read numbers. Okay, let's practice. Here you need to look at the box and read the numbers A to E. Then listen and check your answers. You can pause the video till you do this activity and then come, listen, and check your answers. Let's listen.
C. Look at the box and read the numbers A to E aloud. Then listen and check. A. 6,534. B. 5,700,000,000. C. 287. D. 28,119. E. 9,500,000.
Okay, thank you. My students, let me ask you a question. How many planets are there in our solar system? Excellent. 8. What are they? Mercury, Venus, excellent. Earth, yes. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and finally, excellent, Neptune. Thank you. Well done, my students. Let's move on. Here we have a quiz. How much do you know about our solar system? Can you please read these 4 questions? Pause the video till you finish reading them. Okay. Can you answer these questions? You can pause the video till you answer these questions. Now, listen and check your answers.
2. Listen 1. B. Listen to two friends talking and check your answers to the quiz with a partner.
What are you doing? I'm looking at a website about our solar system. It's got very interesting facts. Like what? Well, to begin with, there are 8 planets in our solar system, not 9. Pluto is not one of them anymore. Yeah, I know. Scientists consider Pluto a dwarf planet now. So, in our solar system, there's Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter. Is Jupiter the red planet? No, Mars is the red planet, silly. Oh, right. And then there's Neptune, and Neptune is the farthest from the sun. It's very cold there. Do you know the average temperature on Neptune? No, I don't. How cold is it usually? Listen to this. Minus 214 degrees Celsius. Wow, that's very cold. Hey, what does it say there about Mars? A year on Mars is longer than an Earth year. It's 687 days. Well, an Earth year is 365 days, right? Right. Well, imagine living on Mars. How long would each season be? Do you want to hear how big the sun is? How big? Very, very big. Just imagine that the Earth can fit in it about 1 million times. 1 million times? That's amazing.
So, which planet is called the red planet? Perfect. Mars. How did you know this? Yes. He said, no, Mars is the red planet, silly. Okay. Number 2. What is the average temperature on Neptune? Excellent. Minus 214. How did you know this? Perfect. Listen to this. Minus 214 degrees Celsius. Okay. 3. How long is a year on Mars? Wonderful. 687 days. How did you know this? He said, a year on Mars is longer than an Earth year. It's 687 days. Finally, how many times does the Earth fit in the Sun? Great. About 1 million. How did you know this? Very, very big. Just imagine that the Earth can fit in it about 1 million times. Now, we've come to the last stage of our lesson, which is the closure. Let me ask you a question. What have you learned today? Today, we've consolidated 10 vocabulary words in context, and we've listened for specific information talking about our solar system. That's the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot, my students, and good luck for you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.